sector is valued at $150 billion and contribute 14.4% of the country's GDP. This is indicative of the tremendous potential the sector has. Since I often get asked about career opportunities in logistics and the potential of the sector, in today's episode of Logistically Speaking, I thought it's better to share with all of you the role of logistics plays in nation building, the job opportunities it provides, and its growth potential. For those looking to build a career in logistics, I will also share the skill gaps in the industry, competencies employers look for, and how you should prepare to enter in the field of logistics. Firstly, what is logistics? It's not just another word for transportation. Logistics is a subset of supply chain that primarily focus on planning, implementing and controlling the efficient flow of goods, services and related information from the point of production to the point of consumption to meet the requirement of customers or businesses. The logistics sector of any country plays a significant role in its economy, whether it's the food you are eating or the COVID vaccines that kept you safe during the pandemic or the latest phone you are using. Logistics plays a key role in getting it to you wherever you are in the world. During the pandemic, when the whole world started to shut down, logistics was one of the essential services relentlessly working to serve the needs of the people under lockdown, be it providing grocery or medical supplies or electronic gadgets. In India, this sector currently contributes nearly 15% of the country's GDP while employing around 8 million people. The logistics sector in India is already set to grow at over 10% CAGR in the next 5 years to reach $370 billion. With 80% of overall logistics spending going to the unorganized sector, the scale of opportunity is huge. So, while there is massive demand, there is also a dearth of trained and professional personnel in the sector. The functioning of the Indian logistics sector has taken a big leap from the 60s. Earlier, it was confined only to transportation and warehouses performing laborious and work-intensive tasks, but today it includes a wide range of services with the help of automated technology. This includes material handling, protective packaging, inventory control, order processing, marketing, forecasting, and customer service. But when compared to the global counterparts, the Indian logistics system still have a really long way to go. Now, it's not only bad news, this is only hint to us that there is a huge scope for improvement and there is an alarming need for resources to match with the developed Western countries. Resources in the form of infrastructure, IT, complex laws, industrial readiness and workforce have gaps that need to be filled. The immense job opportunities and flourishing careers are waiting for capable aspirants in the logistics field. No, we don't need labor-intensive workers. We have automated systems for that. Gone are the days when the logistics sector was deemed as an underskilled industry. Today, we need trained professionals with leadership, business-minded and technical expertise. Due to this evolution, there is a range of roles available in the sector. Let's take a look at these roles. Number one, supply chain roles. Supply chain effectively means purchasing, scheduling and distributing goods. There are numerous tech-forward roles available in the logistic industry that focus on the supply chain and its R&D. Number two, inventory roles. Inventory is a term used for any goods that pass through or are held in a warehouse or storage facility. Managing inventory is a critical role and an inventory manager need to control and supervise purchases, maintain the storage of stock and fulfill orders without error. Number three, procurement roles. This is a sourcing job that requires good management ability and technical know-how with effective negotiation skills and business acumen. Number 4, data analysis roles. This is a key function that integrates all elements of logistics from inventory to transportation. The role requires exceptional analytical, strategic and management abilities with an aptitude for technology. Number 5, transportation role. Transportation of goods from point A to B forms the core of logistics. Whether it is by road, by air or by sea, the motive is that procured items are successfully and effectively transported to the desired location. This role needs a mix of skill in planning, administration, coordination and technical understanding of vehicles. Number 6, marketing roles. The role of marketing in logistics is to promote an organization's services, offering and unique capabilities to potential clients. It is a role that requires one to understand the needs of a customer, plan campaigns, communicate in a timely manner, identify parameters that define success and measure outcomes to review results. It also requires skill to manage budget, media spends, social media skills, strategic thinking and ability to coordinate with multiple departments within the organization. And sales roles. Sales executives act as a link between clients, carriers, shippers and receivers and are key to providing excellent customer service. Their talent to establish and maintain customer relationship, assess client-specific needs and promote the services of the organization to achieve target is crucial to achieving business goals. This role demands people management skill, excellent communication skill, problem solving ability, product knowledge with a strategic ability to pitch and sell company services and maintain good client relationships. Number 8, documentation role. Managing the entire supply chain transaction involved processing a set of standardized documentation of goods and services from buyer to seller and all intermediary departments involved throughout the process. Documentation managers are required to be detail oriented and possesses strong technical, numerical and analytical skill along with being updated on logistic systems and compliances. And lastly, number 9, customer service role. This department is fast evolving as a make or break for organization as customers become more demanding and complexities increases. The role requires excellent communication skill, crisis management and problem solving capabilities. Most logistic organizations look for a mix of skill while considering potential candidates. This can be categorized into 2 sections. Number 1, technical skill. These are industry specific skill that can be pursued as an undergraduate, postgraduate or diploma and a certificate program where the focus is on shipping, supply chain management and the basics of warehousing. Also, today multiple institutes are providing specialized degrees in logistic management. Additionally, comprehending the potential of the logistic industry, the Government of India instituted the Logistics Sector Skill Council or LSC. It is established by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship through the National Skill Development Corporation of India, which offers apprenticeship-based undergraduate BBA degree programs in logistics with the primary objective of creating adequate skill for gainful employment at the supervisory level in logistic industry. The BBA degree in logistics with 6 months salaried apprenticeship in freight forwarding and warehousing grooms aspirants to enter into logistic industry with foundational technical knowledge about the field. Here are the basic eligibility criteria. Aspirants who have completed 10+2 or graduated and have inclination towards the shipping and logistic domain can pursue these courses. Any candidate who has earlier worked in the administrative sector or in any of the sectors linked to warehousing, shipping, transport, or inventory, retail, etc., can pursue a logistic management course and open the gate to a fulfilling career path. Number 3, candidates who don't intend to pursue science or commerce after completing their 12th standard can also consider applying for a diploma in logistics. Such courses provide an excellent foundation and strong understanding of logistics to prepare for entry-level jobs or can be pursued at a master's level to enhance career growth. Number 2, soft skills. Soft skills like problem solving and decision making are two important skills you need to possess across all roles in the logistic field, keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the sector. Good communication and negotiation skill, time management, analytical skill, financial acumen, strong leadership attitude, project management outlook, strategic thinking, computer proficiency, and relationship management will catapult you to the top of the corporate ladder. There is incredible potential in the logistics sector and it continues to evolve as a dependable and demanding sector for employment. Its expanding economic relevance, the implementation of global practices, and the massive role of digitalization are the key factors that are driving the industry towards growth. The recent national logistics policy by the government aimed to focus on several logistic areas such as process re-engineering, digitalization focus on multimodal transport, exim trade, which in turn would improve logistics in core sectors. There is no turning back for the logistic industry. It's at the cusp of progressing upward on a historic journey, and all of you have a chance to be part of this exciting phase. In case you are considering a career in the industry, I hope today's section was informational and helped you to get a clear picture of how to prepare and what to expect. In case you haven't considered a career in logistics, hopefully today's episode help you explore the field and evaluate if it is good fit for you. If you have any specific queries regarding career opportunities, leave them in the comment section and I will answer them for you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this episode. See you next week.